Good morning, my dudes. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. Thank you for joining in. And of course, today is the day. Today is the day we revisit the cold start. You know that video, about 2 years ago-ish, so much shorter here, a little less salt and pepper. Everyone else that clicked on the video because of that thumbnail or that title, welcome, welcome. And funny enough, we did meme the video a little bit. We took the cold start literally and did it in about 20-something degree weather. A lot of you guys got some kicks off of that, and it was kind of fun doing it. But that video, I will say, I did it with the camera and an onboard mic. Not an onboard mic built in, but an onboard mic attached to the camera. Today, we're taking that to another level. I got my handy dandy recorder with a little air muff, dead cat or whatever you want to call it. You guys been enjoying a lot of my drive videos. We're hearing the pure sound of actual exhaust unmuffled on peak audio. So today we're going to revisit and do the same thing. We're going to capture a cold start with pure sound, high def audio for your enjoyment, for my enjoyment. I like to take an emphasis in proper audio setup, give you guys a true experience instead of built-in mics or cheap mics that clip and stuff. So if you are an audiophile also, go ahead, hit that like, hit that sub. Let's get this going. The last time we used the gauge, put the laser on, muffler is inside the garage, muffler is at 50-something degrees right now. Can you see it? Can you see it? But then you're like, but that's not cold. How are you gonna call that cold? Put that down. Let me show you why it's cold. One, it is, according to said watch, upper right corner, 20-something degrees out there. Two, there's white junk everywhere. It was pretty much 60-something degrees, 70-something degrees the day before, and then overnight it snowed. Yeah. So it's really bright because all the white stuff is reflecting the light and everything. I got my filter on, I got the ND on. Hopefully the video will still come out pretty unexposed or not overexposed. Only could tell in post. So like I said in the last video, I don't want to start the car in the garage because of it being a huge tall garage. It'll echo, it'll create a resonance, and you wouldn't get the true effect of a cold start. Sound will be bouncing off the walls and stuff like that. So as with the last video, I am going to roll the car out. We're going to set up the mic in the back on a tripod, and then we're going to give it a cold start. Alright guys, we got everything set up. We got the car out. We've got the mic set up. Let's get the camera set up. Let's start the car on. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let the car start. Stay on its auto choke. Let it be idle up. And when the auto choke drops down, I'm gonna give it a couple light revs, maybe 2,500 RPMs, not passing 3,000 RPMs. I know a lot of people, that was one concern in the last video, is revving the car when it's cold. Think of it this way, some people when it's cold, they jump in the car and they drive off immediately. That's kind of the same effect, but that's on the load also. I don't abuse this engine. You know me, I take care of my car. I take care of it maintenance wise. I don't always do this. This is strictly for the video. Like I said, I don't always rev the car like this. I don't always cold start it and rev it out. I try to let the engine oil come to temp and stuff. So don't worry about it, guys. I know not to do it. You guys don't do it. It's not a good practice. This is just for entertainment purposes. Let's get started. So just now you heard the auto choke kind of die down a little bit. It was at 1500 RPMs. The car is now on 1200 RPMs. Still relatively cool. Still idling up. The mic is probably a good 6 feet away from the back of the car. Like I say, let's give it a few little blips. I'm gonna let it warm up some more so you guys can hear a little revs. But what you think so far? That was a startup. That was a startup with the automatic choke. The automatic choke died down a little bit. We revved it to around 2500, 3000 RPMs. Recorder is still going there. I mixed it in to, I'll probably mix it into probably like -6 decibels. Hopefully the wind muff should be doing work, because it's really windy right now with all this weather. But so far, what you believe? What, did you like it? How does it sound? Let's go ahead and let's get a few more revs. She's now pretty much up to temperature. Really didn't take that long for her to get there. The coolant temp needle is around quarter from the bottom. So she's good there. So there you go. We revisited the exhaust video with some proper audio, with a proper audio recorder. Let me know what you think in the comments. Lighting conditions outside isn't the best right now, like I said, so hopefully it wasn't too unbearable in the video. Hopefully you guys came here more for the audio than the video this time. But if you do appreciate the content, if you do appreciate the audio and the effort into getting some really awesome pure sound, some high fidelity recordings of the cold start with Motordyne Shockwave E370, sorry, and the FastIntentions Resident High Flow Cats. Hit that like, hit that sub. Let's grow this channel. Let's take it to another level. Until next time, guys, thanks for your support. You all have a good one.